Dos family! Hey, what's up, Dos family? We're gonna do a pump change, and then after the pump change, Emma's gonna show you what she got at Claire's.
I think you guys are gonna like it. I got Arison's clothes.
She had a bunch of stuff. Really cute.
I think you guys are gonna like Arison's clothes.
Emma's sugar is really high because we're on the 3rd day of this pump that we need to change.
And Arison's gone. We kind of left her at my grandma's house.
Arison is her, like, American girl. It's like a generations American girl.
So
Alright, so what I'm gonna do first is I detach the pump from Emma's body. Now I'm gonna prep the cartridge first before I take out the pump. Sure. We're gonna open all this stuff. So we have the cartridge, we have her insulin, we have Unizol, we have skin prep, we have the needle and the syringe,
and we also
then
have,
the site and the tubing.
and we also have the Emma face.
Silly as always. Okay, we're gonna do this really quick so that she can get to her.
Can I open this?
Not right now, baby. Let's do this
I
first.
want to take off the red.
Okay, just take off the resin. Extract the air from the cartridge. Where are we gonna put your pump today?
I want to put on my pump, guys.
I know, but where are you gonna put it?
When we're doing on my pump, we're gonna go. When we're taking off the pump, it's kind of on my privacy on my butt.
Well, we're not gonna show taking it off. We're just gonna put it on.
Yeah.
Because the pump right now, her pump site is on her booty, and we don't want to show you her booty because then that's privacy. That's invasion of privacy. And she needs her privacy. So I'm just gonna fill the syringe.
Bubbles.
Make sure that there isn't any bubbles. So I'm just gonna tap it, 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 until the bubbles are gone. Come on.
Get out of my needle.
Get out of my needle. Okay. Sorry, I think I need a little bit more. Right, under. So with this pump, you have to have at least 50 units in the cartridge for it to work. It has to be minimum of 50 units. It's okay. Alright, so we're ready. Now we're gonna put the insulin in the cartridge. And we're gonna push.
Push.
Push. The sun is right in her face. I'm gonna be back with.
Push. Push.
Alright, cap that. Trash. Now we gotta take out the old cartridge. So we're gonna do unlock it. Options. Stop insulin. Stop.
Stop it.
Options. Download. Change cartridge. Next.
Next.
Remove cartridge.
Download. Do slow.
Tell them what you did today. What did we do today?
We went to Claire's to buy my stuff. We went to go to the Disney store to get my Minnie Mouse and the Vampire for Logan. And we also got Logan's costume.
I know. I am very last minute on getting his costume, so I had to get
Can I do it?
Had to order it.
Thank you.
We're gonna expose the infusion site, take out the tubing.
And then we're gonna put it on now.
Now we're gonna attach it
Mommy,
to
can we
the
put
actual
it
pump.
on first?
Yeah, I'm not gonna show them to take it off because it's on your butt.
I know, but I wanna put it on first.
Now we're gonna start filling the tube.
Yeah, that's my favorite part doing.
Wait for the little bubble.
Let me get my.
Let's fix this because you
Let
can't
me
really
get
see
my
it.
like little pattern.
Someone's sugar is high.
Yes, because I am an old
Wait,
lady.
chopped off your head. Wait for the thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Mr. Logi's waking up. We gotta hurry, guys. We gotta hurry. Hurry, pump. Hurry. We gotta do this fast. So what are you waiting for, Emma?
For like a little bump. Can I make this video on myself? But you can put it on.
Well, I have to do that. We're gonna do... Still waiting for it. Come on, come on, come on.
Why is like, come on?
Oh no, don't put it down like that.
Why is saying come on?
Because your brother's gonna wake up and I gotta get him out. And then you can do your little...
When it beeps, that means yes.
Pay attention, it's coming. It's coming. There it is. Show them the bubble.
This is the little bubble.
The little bubble of insulin.
I don't think you guys could see that.
There you go.
Oh,
Okay. Gotta take off the...
Can I do it?
Okay, go ahead. Take off the... No, the blue thing. Pull the blue thing off first. Oh, there you go. And then you're gonna take off the white. And then we're gonna pull this back. And it's ready to go. Alright, skin prep.
Skin.
On the belly. Just got a little bit of rash. Let's not do that. Let's pick a spot right there. Where the fattiest part is. We're gonna do the standing up. We're gonna show them how brave Emma is. Emma's very brave. Emma's very, very brave at doing this. Right.
Let's go. Let's go.
You gotta make sure it dries because it hurts if you don't dry.
Let's go.
Okay, hold your shirt up. Do you want to squeeze it?
No.
Why not? You did it last time.
No, I don't want to do it.
Okay, I'll do it. Alright, it's dry. Alright. Here we go.
Oh no.
You're gonna count to 3?
1, 2, 3. Ow.
Sorry. Hurt?
No.
Okay, don't pull it up, don't pull it up. Ooh.
Logan Mister is waking up.
Mr. Logi's awake. Alright, we're done.
Now let's go see if Logan's Mister is awake.
Part. Put it into her little baggie. Resume. Let me correct your sugar. Your sugar is 222. So we're gonna correct her sugar by pressing bolus, entering her blood sugar, and it's 222, and we're done. And yes, confirm it's correct. Next, confirm yes. Deliver. All right. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go get Logie, and Emma's gonna show you all the stuff she got at Claire's.
Yep.
Go ahead, Emma. Let's put this back on really quick.
Ow, it's hurt.
It's hurting. Sorry. It'll go away after a little bit.
Okay, guys, so we
Show
got
them what got it in here.
We got like a little case for my lipstick and my chopstick.
Here, I'm gonna turn it this way so that you can.
My chopstick, and we got this we got some chopstick. Got some more chopstick.
Isn't that lip gloss, not chapstick?
Oh, this has. We got some more lip gloss. We got my little eyeshadow thing. Two on each side. And we also got my eyeshadow stuff. And I'm gonna be doing my makeup now. And then I'll be showing
I'll show them everything else first and then do your makeup.
Okay. We got Ariston's costume.
Harrison is her
American doll.
American Girl doll.
And how you pull this out? Now, how do you pull this out? How do you pull this out? How can you pull
Open the bottom first.
No.
It even comes with a little hanger.
Yeah. we got her like a little hemband.
That's cute.
Ooh, hemband.
That's really
Ooh.
cute.
We got her little wings, her little dress,
It's really cute.
and that's all we got. And now
That's not all we got. We got more than that.
we got like an Elsa Jojo bow. We
Huge
got a toy. I don't know what they're called,
This
but
is called a candy lock. Do you want to open it?
yeah, later after I show them what all we got. We got some more lip gloss. And we got like a little cute little headband.
Do you want me to open this?
Yeah. We got a little choker, which is I've been wanting.
You got chokers.
Like a little paper, I guess. And
Oh, those are mine.
we got some earrings for my mom. And that's all we got. Let's get on doing my makeup.
Okay, yeah, do your makeup. Go ahead.
Do my makeup. Oopsies. It's sticking out. Wow. Let's do some eyeshadow first.
You want to put your headband on so your hair gets out of your way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. I love this. Like, this is cool.
Come here.
Oh, Logan. Mr. the Logan's awake.
Hold on. Slow down.
Can I also put my choker on right now?
Sure.
And also, yeah, let's get my chopstick and see what kind of color.
Which choker are you going to put on?
I want to put on this big heart one.
Okay.
What?
Nothing. Hopefully the air conditioning is not making a lot of noise. Because,
What eyeshadow should I do, Mama?
I don't know, pink, you're wearing pink, or you have a blue headband, or a
Do
pink,
I want to do this teal?
you have a pink,
Do some teal. Teal.
here, here's your choker.
I've been wearing chokers. Chokers is my favorite. Ooh, look at this kind of color. That's cool.
Okay, there. You can use the camera as the TV. I mean, as your mirror.
That's my eyes. Is my eye blue?
It is blue.
I can't see.
Want to get closer? There you go.
Yeah, it is blue. Let's do some. This one. Let's do the other side of this. Let's do some purple here. Yeah, that one's purple. Now, let's get my cheeks done. Let's get this pink. And let's get this purple. And now we're all done with my eyeshadow. Put my eyeshadow there. Put my eyeshadow stuff over here. Let's get my eyeshadow. Let's get my lip gloss, which is I'm gonna be putting some red.
Alright, let me get your brother.
Okay guys, I am done. Let's put my chopstick back on. This is my little chopstick. Now let's get my toy and see what kind of one I got. I'm gonna see what red and silver makes.
Very cute. Show Logan. Mr. Logan just woke up. Let's see.
Looks like a little bit like disco.
His name is Mr. Wonderful.
His name is Mr.
He just woke up.
Mommy, can you help me?
Sure. You want to open that?
I'm sorry. I do red and like this color too. Let's see. Oh, Logan's scared. That scared Logan.
Sorry.
Oh, let's see what kind. How do you?
Is she in there?
Yes, look it. She's tangled up in her
hair.
hair. Oh my God! You can tie her hair any way you want it.
Or you can braid it too.
Let's see. She came with some surprises. Wow. Guys, she came with some prizes. Let's see what kind of surprises.
Sissy, don't you see your sister making a video?
Ooh,
Here.
look it. We got like a little thing. What? What are these?
Oh, those are like hair clips.
Oh yeah, what are these? What are these, Mama?
They're hair clips.
Really?
Yeah, let me feed your husband.
Let's put this one right here. Put that one right there. Let's put this one on the purple side over here, guys. And let's see what... Oh, there's a nice surprise. Let's put like a little gem on her hair. Let's see what else she gave us. Ooh, she got like a little star one. That one right there. And another one. There's still more. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, wow. Ooh, wow, guys. Here's a collector spy. These are all the ones you could collect. And let's see what else she gave us. Came with. She brought us. Let's see what else she brought us. Ooh, wow, what is this? What is this, Mama? What is this?
Like you wrap her hair around it.
Oh.
That's kind of cool. Okay, say bye.
No, we still gotta show her what she else came with.
That's it.
No, there's still more stuff in here. Okay, can you open this one? Thank you. Let's see. Oh!
Scoot over. You gotta go back to where you were.
Wow, look it. There's like a little thing. Little more gems. And let's see what else. Let's check if there's anything else in here. Oh, there's something a little more in there. No. And I want to, let's show them my JoJo boat. Just slide it out. See, that was easy.
Are you in the shot? Scoot over a little bit.
That.
Hope you guys like this video.
I hope you guys like our videos.
See you next time.
Bye.